Hey fellows! Welcome back to Karenliz TV. And for today's video, we are going to unbox this box from NoMakeNoLife. And this box is from Japan. And they are a subscription box. So this NoMakeNoLife subscription-based box is a service that delivers you Japanese beauty products straight from Tokyo, Japan. I just picked this up from the post office here in Kabagan. So yeah, I only paid 100 pesos for the tax. So let's open it up. I love opening boxes. So this is straight from Japan. So this is the box. Parang ano siya? It is a black carton box. So then I wonder what's inside. So hindi pa. Hindi siya fully open. Here is what's inside the box. I just picked this up, so I don't know what's inside the box. So okay, what's inside the box? So here is a what do you call this? A brochure. It says No Makeup No Life Volume 10 November 2017. I haven't checked what's inside the box. Ito pa lang. So yeah, you have this. Oh, such a pretty woman. So you have here the Tonyo Isofurabon Point Mask, Nail Cleansing Lotion. I'm not sure if these are the products inside the box. Kakima 2-in-1 Mascara Liner, Rosy Rosa Oil Blotting Roller, Ginger Bath Salt, Mapepe Big Ribbon. So I'm really excited what's inside this box actually. Okay, so I think the products I read here are the products inside. So you have here the ribbon. So let's open this up. This is so cute. I like pink ribbon. Oh, it's actually a Velcro ribbon. So you don't have to pin it just. Simply place it in your hair. So you have a ribbon na. So you can use this also if you have bangs and then. So if you're putting on your makeup, just place it there. So cute. But it also slides down easily. So let's try to put somewhere. Yeah. So it doesn't suit my style for today. So let's put it there. I look like a dog. So I will use that later when I'm cute. We have the, what do you call this again? This one is the Tonyo Isofurabon Point Mask. Next is this one is the Kakima 2-in-1 Mascara Liner. So this is nice. It is a mascara and an eyeliner in one. Next is I like this, Nail Cleansing Lotion. It is a honey and sunflower oil. So I love it. I like this. So it is a double duty product that's rich in honey and sunflower oil that your skin will love. The gentle lotion works to remove dead skin cells while moisturizing your skin. So wow, that's nice. I think it can also remove makeup. Next is this one. What is this? Let's read it. This is the Ginger Bath Salt. After a long week, treat your mind and body to an extra TLC in the bath with this relaxing bath salt, which contains ginger and chili extract, both of which have extra warming properties. Ooh. So I have the yellow one, which is, I think, lemon. Last but not the least is the, what do you call this again? Rosy Rosa Oil Blotting Roller. So it wipes the shine off of your face with the easy-to-use oil blotting roller. Unwanted grease and dead skin from your face. Wipe with tissue to remove makeup from roller or cleanse with warm water when... Oh, I see. So, it's a blotting roller. So let's try it. It has a cup inside, or a cover. So this is how it looks like. You can clean this one. So I have oily T-zone. Will it? Did you see that? Let's try here also on the T-zone. Oh yeah, it definitely removed the oil. Wow. Whoa. Wow. I like this one. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video of the NoMakeNoLife from Tokyo Thrift Shop, and all the links will be in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, mouse.